YouTube and video marketing for realtors and how to get leads from it. I'm so sick of hearing people talk about I can get you leads. Leads are garbage today. You know it and I know it. If you are getting leads, that means you still have to convert and they have zero trust in you. So I don't like calling them leads. I like calling them referrals. I created a system out of pain and agony. I hated cold calling, door knocking. I hated asking for the business. I even held open houses hoping that people didn't show up. So with that being said, you may not relate with me, but if you do and you actually want people to call you like they are your best friend, I'm going to be discussing what works today in video marketing. Should you be doing the short form content like the TikToks, the Reels? I don't know about that. I do think there is some serious value and brand play in the short form content, but think about this. Like when I go to buy a golf wedge or something, I'm not getting a 15-second video and going, oh, I have to have that. No, I like actually go to YouTube and I watch 30 videos on 10 different wedges and I go insane for $100 purchase. So think about somebody buying a $500,000 home and moving to a new city state. Do you think a 15-second video makes them go, have to buy that right now? Or are they going to go put in hours, days, even months, if not years of research to buy a home? I've seen it all. I've had people wait 3 to 4 years, or not wait, but reach out 3 to 4 years ahead. They're putting in that much research. So if you want to get business, referrals, yes, we'll just call them leads from video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how to structure these videos so that you get the reach outs. And we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the Channel Junkies. In this channel, I discuss how I went from shooting all the wrong videos and now how we actually do free YouTube videos to get free leads. With 8 channels across 8 states, we have done over 61 million in sales in 2020 alone. 2021, we're easily going to double that. I teach it all for free in this channel. It's all passion driven from my story of doing this. So if that's the information you want, make sure you tap that subscribe button. Click the little bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. Want to let you know, I go live every Wednesday on this channel at 1 Central Standard Time. Come ask me anything. And at 11 Central Standard Time every weekday, I'm in the clubhouse. So just come find your boy Jackson Wilkie and the Channel Junkies. So really when it boils down to getting business from video, it comes down to really 3 things. And I kind of want to discuss first and foremost all these new trends, right? Everybody wants to do the newest, the latest, the greatest, the fastest. I need it now. And it's TikToks and it's Reels and it's Instagram. And you're so confused. You're probably like, good Lord. Okay, I'm doing a little bit of Facebook, doing a little bit of Instagram, a little bit of TikTok, a little bit of Pinterest, a little bit. I did that shit too. I was all over the place. And guess how many leads and guess how much business I got? 0. I had to hone in. You have to control yourself and you have to understand if you don't like doing long form content, turning a camera on, being this close to it and talking, YouTube may not be your thing. Now, I wasn't that comfortable either, but I shot thousands of videos and I got comfortable. And I learned that getting up into the camera and I can mess up. I can fumble my words. I don't really care because people want to, they want to humanize with you. They want to actually trust somebody, right? And so this is what does it. Me just being myself. There's minimal edits in any of my videos. I get to be Jackson Wilkie. And so I don't see the play. And I'm not saying don't do short form content. I think it's great. I have a lot of stuff on my Instagram and Reels. It's not city related. It's not real estate related. It's just me related because I drive so many thousands of people across the country to wanting to use me or work with me in all these different states. And a lot of times they go to my Facebook and a lot of times they go to my Instagram. And so that's the bigger picture to me is what I actually use my social platforms for is being Jackson Wilkie. It's a lot of pictures with me and my kids and my family and having fun. And I get a lot of DMs and I get a lot of personal messages going, oh my gosh, I love your kid. You're hilarious. It's never anything real estate related. People want to work with people they want to work with. And once you get that into your head, that once you shoot these videos and act like yourself, I don't care if it's short form content. See, you can mess up. Short form content, that's hard to say. Or long form. But when I compare and contrast the both, it just always seems as if like the Instagrams, the TikTokers, they always lead with subscribers and followers and views. And that's what they kind of claim to fame. Now, I know a lot of them probably get deals from it, but they're still in production and, they're still paying for leads on Zillow. They're still doing Facebook ads. They're still doing open houses. So I know it's not deriving them enough business to scale and grow. Maybe it is. I don't know. And I'm not poo-pooing it. What I'm saying is, like I mentioned in the intro, I go to buy a new MacBook, and I'm kind of going, should I go Mac or PC? I'm a video editor. So I watch I think I watched 3 to 4 months worth of videos. All these videos. And guess what? I actually found this one guy on YouTube who I just liked his style. I liked how he was honest. I liked how he said he hasn't been doing this 100 years. It's just, hey, you know, I knew I was going to be doing a lot of video editing, maybe some side work, and I needed something to handle it because my MacBooks and my other stuff kept crashing. So I got the new PC, you know, X4000, and I got the new MacBook X4000. I'm going to compare them, right? I'm going to run these load tests. And that resonated with me, and I bought my $3,500 MacBook Pro through his link. He got affiliate linking. That's how YouTube works, right? And so with short form content, I might go buy a golden toilet seat that, you know, cleans you out and it's $49.99 on Instagram. But when I'm going to go buy a $100 sandwich, or I'm going to buy a new $300 smoker, or I'm going to buy a, you know, $3,000 laptop, or I'm going to go buy a house, like I put months, weeks, years into learning about these things. And so it really boils down to the people you trust. So I think maybe it's important to have some short form content just to drive like brand awareness and stuff. But the long form stuff, don't overlook everything. That's what's driving me crazy is like you have this huge platform here. I have 8.9 million impressions on our Portland channel. That means it's placed our videos in front of 9 million people most likely to watch it. That's why it's doing 50 million in sales this year. And I'm out of production. It works for me. So just understand when you are going to get business and leads out of video, I really like to lean towards the long form stuff where people are going to learn stuff. And the longer they watch you, the more they trust you. I am brand new in real estate. I'm in my second year and I have everybody from doctors, lawyers, move-up home buyers, moms, dads, professional athletes, and even fellow YouTubers who just say, Jackson, I love your style. And I know a lot of other YouTubers out there that say, oh, you're in my market, but it's funny. They watch your stuff and they think you're too loud. Awesome. I don't want to work with them. I am too freaking loud, but there's a lot of people that like me. So just understand you got to be yourself no matter if it's short form or long form. But I think, you know, for long play, and again, this is never going anywhere. It's just going to sit there and work for you. But the other two things that I really want to discuss about getting leads in business is if you got to hook them. It's content marketing out of the gate. You're moving to Phoenix, Arizona. You have no idea where to live. This place is erupting. We have the 101. We got all these new loops. It's an hour from the east side to the west side. There's new subdivisions. In this video, I'm going to be discussing every single section, suburb, where we're at, north, south, east, west, and that's going to tell you who lives in these areas, who doesn't live in these areas, and that's going to inform you a couple of areas that you're going to want to live, and most importantly, a bunch of areas you do not want to live. I'll be brutally honest, the good, the bad, the ugly of some of these areas, so that you'll have the perfect so that you'll have the information on moving to Phoenix, right? So now they're just like, oh my gosh, this guy's going to be honest. I'm going to get a little bit of insight. They rule out a lot, and the messages come in and go, oh my gosh, I loved that video. I was leaning towards the DC Ranch area in North Scottsdale, but once you talked about how every yard is full of cactuses and lava rock, and you had to go down to the Gilbert Channel area because you like grass and green, I'm the same exact way. I got to go to that Gilbert Channel, and can you help me, right? Or they go, actually, that desert decor that you have, the rocks in the front yard and the cactus, like that's exactly what I love. I want that DC Ranch area. So I told you I couldn't live there. I couldn't stand it. I got 3 kids. I could probably find them stuck in a cactus every day. And that helped. I got 2 clients out of that, right? So just understanding that you got to hook these people, tell them exactly what they're going to get in the video. And lastly, hit them with the calls to action. That was something that nobody was teaching. They were all saying at the end of the video, tell them maybe to reach out. Bullshit. You tell them right at the beginning after you hook them and you get that intro in there, you tell them you freaking love, you get so many reach outs and you love it to reach out. And that is when our business exploded and why we get thousands of reach outs with all of these channels. And you can too. And that's how you get a bunch of business. These videos are how you grow your YouTube channel. Start clicking on those and you'll be well on your way. And until the next video, guys, we'll catch you later.